This is a love reading for the Sun sign Gemini from May to June. In this love reading, I will be doing a heart-shaped spread, where on my left are the cards for you Gemini and on my right are the cards for your love interest or your partner. Once I've seen how the guidance is for Geminis who are in a relationship or are couples, I will then remove the partner cards to only see what is the guidance for Geminis who are single and are looking for love. If you were to write to me for a personal reading, I complete the heart-shaped spread for singles with the time spread, which is to know when is it likely that you will find someone nice and you will be in a relationship. Since this is a general reading, I cannot do a time spread. Also, not everything will apply in this reading to all the Gemini, and whatever will apply will vary in the intensity. So let us see what is the guidance for you. So first I'm asking is, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the relationship or your partner in the future? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you are coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. So let us see what is the guidance. Gemini, some of you have made up your mind that you want to get over all the difficulty or the pain in your relationship. While you seem to have made up your mind that you don't want to suffer anymore, or there is some kind of a conflict at heart, you don't know where to begin. You don't know what to do to get away from this conflict or pain. Who is your partner in the relationship? Well, your partner seems to also be going through quite a bit of difficulty. But the good part is your partner seems to feel that this is a conflict which can be contained and can be dealt with. So as of now, your partner is being very patient and they will like to wait and watch before deciding the next course of action. Both of you seem to be dealing with some situation at hand in the relationship. It is possible that both of you have some money problem, or you both could be struggling in your career respectively, or there is something that is a pain point which you both are not able to really figure out a way out of. So there is a work that is needed in terms of finding a solution and making this relationship work. It's also possible, Gemini, you want to take a break from the relationship and probably go and spend some time in a different place or with your extended family or friends. So you are still contemplating what to do, and so is your partner. You see, this is a lady and a child wanting to go away, and this is a man who's hanging upside down. So the family seems to be split. So I am seeing there is some conflict for the two of you, and your partner is really struggling to find a solution. So you are not throwing in the towel and saying that this relationship will not work out. You want to work on it, but as of now, you want to take a bit of a break so that you can think clearly. What is the strength or challenges you bring, and what is the strength or challenges your partner brings? You both are looking excessively overworked. So you are dealing with everything with a lot of courage. You are not going to give in to all the challenges that are showing up, maybe at work or in the relationship. So it's telling me you are feeling very, very drained, Gemini. But the good part is you're not giving up. You just want to take a bit of break and then probably come back. What is the strength or challenge your partner is bringing? It's a tough going for your partner. It's looking like as if you both have forgotten to laugh, to go out, to be happy. You're so consumed in doing what needs to be done and all the responsibilities that need to be fulfilled that you both have just forgotten to lighten up, to laugh a little, and just generally feel good. So, your partner is also feeling very, very burdened with having to do everything and not being able to enjoy life. How do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? Somewhere, Gemini, you feel that your partner can get everything very, very easily, but they just seem to miss the opportunity to grab it. So you do feel that your partner can do and achieve way more than what they're capable of, and probably their heart and mind is not into it, and he or she could be missing out on opportunities, way too many. You also see your partner as someone who overall has a very good life and a very privileged upbringing, but is now going through some kind of a down phase. So you understand your partner very well, and you do make lot of concessions, and you are not very critical in understanding your partner. How does your partner see you? Well, you are seen as this very positive, action oriented king who will pretty much go out and make things happen when the need arises. So your partner does hold you in very high regard. Another energy your partner likes is you are never attention hungry, and you will work in the background just to make sure everything is fine. It's possible that to the outside world it looks like your partner is the one who's calling the shots, who's making things happen. But in truth, it's you who may be running the whole show, and you don't make it appear that way. So your partner derives a lot of this soft strength from you. What is the hope or fear, Gemini, you have from your partner or the relationship? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? So you do feel, Gemini, that if you both are able to take some time out, or you both are able to take a bit of a break and then come back, things are going to fall in place. Love is going to surface again, and things are going to align on its own. So you are very, very positive about how the future energy is with you and your partner. You also see very quickly things materializing into the next level. So as of now, it's looking as if, Gemini, you are fully convinced about your partner, but You see the current difficulties as something very temporary. What is the future energy your partner has about you or the relationship? Your partner is a very loving person and doesn't want to confront unless he or she totally has to. So you see, this is the partner who's carrying 10 wands and is not complaining. Now, Gemini, you may want to initiate a discussion with your partner and tempt them into opening up. It's possible your partner is holding a lot within and not sharing all that is bothering them. So your partner will like to get lot of things sorted before they can feel convinced about the future with you, because there is lot of disagreements or things that your partner feels need attention to before they can think how the future will be for the two of you together. And just as the nature is, your partner doesn't like to stir things up and would rather be very silent and not bring the topic on discussion. So, Gemini, you may want to do this and bring up a topic whichever you feel is bothering the two of you, or help your partner to open up. What is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So you both are very balanced people and you both give lot of time and space to each other. Gemini, you are capable of immense love and understanding. And to you, giving is so important. It's possible that a lot of you spend a lot of your work just helping people out or doing charitable work. Your partner is equally a sensitive and a balanced person and is never in too much of a hurry to be in the center of attention or trying to be in some kind of a limelight. So you both are very, very balanced people, and that is why you both seem to be dealing with difficulty in the situation or your love life with lot of balanced energy. So what is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading? Love is going to win, Gemini. You both should be extending lot of love and politeness to each other, and the situation is totally going to work out. It's also possible some of you may get pregnant even before there is commitment, or you may just get a surprise pregnancy news. So this relationship has great strength, but temporarily there is some situation that needs work, and you both are capable of extending lot of understanding and love to each other and really winning over the difficult situation that you both may be into right now. So this is how the reading is looking for Geminis who are couples or are in a relationship or are married. Now I'm going to remove the partner cards to only look at guidance for Gemini who are single and are looking for love. So Gemini, you're doing one thing totally right, is when you're looking for love, you're actually telling the whole world about it. That you want to find someone nice, be in a relationship, and extend love. So there is nothing hidden. So it's quite possible that your good friends may try to set you up. Your own personal energies of someone who's very giving and is genuinely very nurturing by nature. So, with these two energies, finding love is not difficult. It's possible some of you have already met someone and you are attracted to them. For Geminis who've been through some kind of a conflict and you don't feel ready for love yet, the good thing for you to do is just take a break, travel someplace, and heal yourself. Because by your core nature, you should be able to find someone nice. And your cards are very good in terms of finding love. But if you are going through conflict, chances of recognizing the love are very low. So for Geminis who are single, guidance is very nice. There is a lot of love around for you to meet people and see who you can really go out and romantically get involved with. And some of you who are not feeling all that good, or you are not yet done feeling sad and you are still in pain, you may just want to take some time out before you come back looking for love. There is a good possibility that Gemini, some of you have met an absolute stranger and you are starting to have very romantic feelings for this person. So, this is how your cards are, Gemini, for the love reading from May to June.